Hey everyone, it's Marquez here. Today we're diving into some of the most shocking AI bugs that have ever happened. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We all know AI is rapidly changing the tech landscape, pushing boundaries and constantly evolving. But with all this innovation, sometimes things go wrong. Really wrong. We're talking about those jaw-dropping moments when AI glitches out, malfunctions, and basically reminds us that even the smartest tech can have some seriously embarrassing slip-ups. So buckle up, because we're about to explore 5 of the biggest AI bugs in history, from chatbots gone rogue to self-driving cars that, well, didn't. Let's get into it.
In 2016, Microsoft launched Tay, an AI chatbot designed to learn from Twitter interactions. Sounds innocent enough, right? Within 24 hours, Tay became a PR nightmare. Bombarded with offensive tweets, Tay started spitting out inflammatory remarks. Microsoft swiftly took it offline. A crash course in the dangers of unchecked AI learning. This incident highlighted the importance of careful AI design. It sparked a huge debate about AI ethics and bias. Tay became a cautionary tale in AI development.
In 2015, Google Photos AI made a glaring error, tagging 2 black people as gorillas. This incident highlighted racial bias in AI and sparked outrage. Google apologized and promised to fix the algorithm. It underscored the need for diversity in AI development, a wake-up call for the tech industry on algorithmic bias.
Chapter 3. Tesla Autopilot when self-driving goes wrong. Now let's talk about Tesla Autopilot. Tesla's self-driving technology has been both praised for its innovation and scrutinized for its accidents. While Autopilot is designed to assist drivers, not replace them, there have been several high-profile incidents where the system malfunctioned, leading to crashes, some of them fatal. From misinterpreting lane markings to failing to detect obstacles, these incidents have raised serious questions about the safety and reliability of self-driving technology. While Tesla maintains that Autopilot is statistically safer than human drivers, these accidents highlight